Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. It's good to be back, pandas. Welcome to the stream. TGIF, pandas. Thank God it's Friday. If you didn't hear the news yet, the promo has been extended to the end of the month. End of the month, pandas. And when I say end of the month, I mean by the 30th, not the 31st. It'll end on the 30th at basically 12 a.m. and 11:59 p.m. So it basically ends on the 31st at 12 a.m. if you know what I mean. But the promo's been extended. Your prayers have been answered, I guess, if you guys are praying for that. And we got 1 day to pass plus the 250k accounts. They are only $16, the evals. And then the lifetime fee is only $85. It's quite amazing. I don't know why they're pushing the 250k accounts so much. I personally don't know, but hey, if they want the 250k accounts, we're trading 250k accounts. That's what we're doing. It's kind of random. Why not the 300k account? I don't know why the 250k account was used. Edison, good morning. Bill 7, good morning. Blacklight, morning peas. Blacklight, I went full werewolf trading yesterday. I already know this is not good. I thought it was mumbo jumbo, but if it keeps happening, then man, that is it is weird. It is weird. A full moon for some reason. There's some cycle. There must be some sort of lunar cycle with traders. Maybe everyone, like all the traders, secretly are actually just women, and they're just going through their PMS, and so all the institutions are just PMS trading. Am I gonna get canceled for that? Well, shucks. If I get canceled for that. Robert, morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. If you guys also didn't hear, we had an amazing reset from Wednesday's trading. So Thursday, you guys were able to reset your accounts if you traded after 2 p.m. So congrats for everyone who got their lives saved. Yours truly benefited from that. So that was really nice for them to do that for us. Even my PA accounts. If you guys remember, on Wednesday's trading, we were down about $1,000 some during stream. And after the reset, we're back to basically break even. I hope today's price action is as good as yesterday's price action, because yesterday was crazy. You had Nvidia. It was a free reset. Yep. Let's see. Do we have news today, pandas? I think we do have news today. We have PMI. We have the consumer sentiment at 10. Okay. Yesterday we had the flash services PMI at 945. I'm curious. 945. Did we have a big movement? $9.45 candle. It was okay. Candle's okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10-point move. It was okay. Nothing really to talk about personally. Wow, yesterday's trading was crazy, huh? Very crazy.
10,000 tick trap.
Well, is there a holiday? Yes, yes. Actually, that might affect today's trading too. There is a holiday on Monday, Memorial Day. So, there's no trading. Let me look at the calendar, pandas. What do we got here? I hate looking at this website. I truly do. I do not understand. I think they made it a little bit better, but let's see. Memorial Day holiday schedule. Holiday schedule. Sorry about that, pandas. All right. I'm looking at the website right as we speak. And it says our futures, they're considered as equities. All right. So we got futures, equities. Trade date, Sunday. For the trade date is for May 28th, actually. And it's a pre-open at... Okay, pre-open. So we got to open at 6 p.m. on Sunday for Tuesday's trading. And it also says on Monday, pre-open, open. This website doesn't make any sense. It surely doesn't make any sense, pandas. I don't understand this. I cannot read this website. I don't understand what it's saying. I really don't. I'm sorry, pandas. It doesn't make any sense to me. I'm guessing it's saying it's closed. The CME website is absolute trash. It's absolute trash, pandas. The calendar. The calendar. It doesn't make any sense. Who can understand this calendar? Who can decide? You basically, it's harder to read than price action. This calendar. Goodness gracious, it doesn't make any sense to me.
$10,000 tick trap.
Market's about to open 30 seconds. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Okay. It's basically the market's gonna close at 11:30. It's gonna open at 6 p.m. on Sunday and close at 11:30 a.m. on Monday, pandas. All right. I think I found the website that might be helpful for us. Just know that this is central, the central time zone. So market's gonna be opened at 6 p.m. on Sunday, and it's gonna close at 11:30 a.m. And it won't count as a trading day. Like all the trading that happens from Sunday and Monday will be considered Tuesday's trading day. Does that make sense, pandas? Yeah, market's always open on Sunday though. At 6 p.m. Right, the futures market. It's going completely sideways here for now. Pandas, I'm gonna do something a little different. Once I sense a limit order market, I'm gonna start trading limit orders. I'm sick and tired of this. 80% of days seem to be limit order days. So I might as well take advantage of it, right, pandas? We're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna be a little more aggressive in our trading. Yeah, market's always open on Sundays though, 6 p.m. Once I sense a limit order market, pandas, I'm gonna start trading limit orders. I'm saying that right now. I'm sick and tired of these limit order days. The trading days have been so boring. I gotta change it up. I gotta be able to trade those boring days. I gotta learn how to make money on those boring days. There's money to be made, pandas. And maybe I'll find my gift. Maybe I'll find my true gift. Limit order trading. Jeez Louise. Yesterday's was crazy. So I'm thinking because a holiday weekend, it's gonna be slow today. But I don't know, pandas. And also we got news at 10 o'clock. Usually slow until news. So pandas, let's take advantage of it. Put a Porsche in the corner of my screen. Honestly, if I made pandas, I've made a lot of money off Apex. All right, I've gotten plenty of money, plenty of withdrawals from Apex. I still would not buy a Porsche. I still wouldn't buy a car with that money, like cash. Like I wouldn't buy a car. I mean, maybe a used car that I can just use, but it's just not my thing, pandas. I know people really want cars. They love the symbol of it. They love the driving experience. They've dreamt about certain cars their entire lives. For me, I never dreamt about those things. The only thing I dreamt about was how can I put myself in a situation where I can buy dream cars without thinking about it. You know what I mean, pandas? I divide my life. I basically just see my life as assets or liabilities. That's it. Assets and liabilities. Not like in terms of relationships, right? Relationships are different. But in terms of where I put my money, I consider them assets or liabilities. That's it. Everything's an asset. Car, that's a liability. So already in my mind, it's a turnoff for me to want to buy a car. But when I think about investing or businesses or putting it into gold, crypto, whatever, like I consider those assets, right? Real estate, right? This is where I feel like where my money goes. So when there is a time in my life, I can purchase liabilities whenever I want and not even worry about it. You know what I mean, Panis? We got a second entry long. I'm hanging out here, Panis. It already looks like a limit order market. HK, I appreciate the super chat. 10 Hong Kong dollars equals $1.28. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. YL. Second entry long. It does push up a little bit. You look how choppy it got. I mean, we're currently in a trend right now. Let's call it what it is. Are we in a trend right now? Pretty sure I'm bull bar on a 5-minute chart forming. I need to see the first 5 bars on the 5-minute chart to really get a sense of what kind of day we're going to have today. What else is Panda? I didn't mean to send that much. Can I get a refund? He accidentally put an extra zero. So he actually wanted to give 10 cents instead of $1. I'm sorry, Weil. I mean, you know, Gugu already ate up, 50% of that. Google already ate. I don't know why, but Google loves just raking in the money from super chats. That super chats, like, man, Blacklight, $2 Canadian equals $1.47. He beats HK by a couple cents here, by 20 cents. It's crazy. Yep. You don't get much money from the super chats. You think you're giving a lot, but it's like Google just eats it up. Yum 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 yum. The thing is like about super chats is like Google did nothing to earn that. Google did nothing to earn the super chat, yet they want to eat like 50% of it. Make very little money. I'll buy Mrs. Panda some. I'll buy her like a Twinkie or something. That $1.48. I could buy her like a hash brown from McDonald's. I can buy her. What can I buy with $1.50? What's the best thing you can buy? I can buy her. I can buy her a donut from Dunkin' Donuts. I could buy her a hot dog. A hot dog from Costco. Yes, that's a very good deal. It's kind of sad. I used to be able to name a lot of things I could buy $1.50. Like the whole dollar menu at McDonald's you could buy. Any item. She doesn't like hot dogs. Yeah, I'll buy something and I'll post it on Discord and I'll say it's specifically for Mrs. Panda. Mrs. Panda is really into fruits these days. Just loves eating fruits. It's like summertime, so. Gilbert Medina with the 10 gifted subs. What's going on today? I thought today was gonna be a lame day, but goodness gracious. One day, Hugh will get the membership. Lou the Writer, Joe Frank, Ace, Free Paper Cuts, Ruben, Mark, L. Jackson, Harrison, Proctor, Salvatore. Congratulations, you guys are all pandas. Only pans. Hugh will never get a membership. It's just YouTube's out to get them. Gilbert Medina, appreciate it. Good morning, BBM and my fellow Panda Warriors. 550k Apex PAs, 2,800 bamboo on each account last night on the NAS crack. Enjoy the memberships. Have a great Memorial Day with Let's Go, baby. Congratulations. Gilbert Medina killing it. You know what, Gilbert Medina, you gotta start your own channel. You know what, I'll follow your channel. You know what my channel's gonna be? If Gilbert Medina opens a stream, starts a stream, it's just gonna be me watching his stream. That's just what this stream's gonna turn into.
10,000.
Panda, have you learned to trade? Look in the description. Albrooks mainly. We are in that limit order market right now. Gotta really learn how to trade these limit order markets. Surprisingly, this trading range is still here, still present. Hugo's NQ range always got me stressing, for sure. Ooh. The 5-minute chart creates a decent bear bar Might have some follow through here. I'm looking at the 5 minute currently. We have a big gap on the open, right? 5 minute sharp. There's a big gap here from the open and the close. So oftentimes it's like to fill, especially when we got a trading range present here. And oftentimes you want to at least test a 20 EMA as well.
5-minute trap.
Keep bouncing off our trend line. We do have news at 10 o'clock, Pandas. Consumer sentiment. It's not big news. Like, I don't consider it to be, like, very impactful news. But, Forex Factory has it marked as high impact. So I just, I like to just let you guys be aware. I mean, it can move the markets. I just don't see it often move the markets very often. What I see, anything that has really to do with inflation or employment, those things, the market's very sensitive, right? And of course, FOMC. FOMC always moves the markets. And lately, the NVIDIA earnings has been very strong in terms of moving the market. If you guys knew yesterday, NVIDIA released the news of their earnings and the market kind of went crazy. Not yesterday, but 2 days ago. You can see with this bar here. Right, that's NVIDIA.
$10,000 tick trap.
By the way, Pandas, just to let you know, we did lose, right? Like yesterday, we took a couple trades during stream. And, we were negative on the stream, if you guys remember, on Wednesday. And basically, it reset. And I was able to take this Big Mama, which ended up giving me a nice 2.5 point scalp plus 10 points. I'll take it. We are currently bouncing. We are making a limit order market. Okay, cool. It certainly looks like a limit order market right now. This gap is making me question, though. Question this gap on the 5 minute. It's seriously making me question. Question what's going to happen. Well, gold is dropping. Gold is dropping. It's on the rise now again, though, today. Second entry long on gold. Fills a gap, second entry long. You know what, gas? Oil is on the rise or falling. Oil should be falling. Yeah, it's dropping, but now it's kind of reversing here. One day I'll make a trade on oil. News at 10. I mean, should I sell the 5 minute chart? Sell above this candle? I think I need 5 bars on the 5 minute chart to really know. I'm very tempted to switch to NQ, Pandas. Like, would you guys be mad if I switched to NQ like 100%? Like, how mad would you be if I changed to NASCRAC? NQ definitely is more volatile. But every point is only $20. So Marcus Vaughn. Good morning, Pans. I'm going to switch to trading my personal account for a while. I'd like to still watch the stream for sure. I mean, of course, you can still watch the stream. It doesn't matter if you're using Apex or not. But, man, Marcus Vaughn, I appreciate the $5 super chat. Hey, it almost sounds like you're saying farewell. Hey, stick around, please. No reason to leave. But Marcus Vaughn, I get your frustrations. I think I will probably put a video out there soon in terms of my feelings towards Apex currently, and see what happens, pandas. Seriously, Apex, they're kind of shooting themselves in the foot, and all the things that they were known for, like all the things that we loved about Apex, is slowly starting to go away. Panda, you owe me 50% of whatever you make. I started this. Apex, value-wise, I agree, still the best. I don't think the other prop firms are that much better in terms of rules or anything else, but Daryl doesn't want a purple two-story house. Are getting pretty strong push down now. I want to capture some of this move down. I think we're breaking down here. At least touch the 20 EMA. Give me a second push down. Wow. Okay, so you guys want me to stay with the E-minis. All right. I'm the only stream on YouTube that trades the E-minis. I'm the only one left, pandas. The lone survivor. It's tempting, though. It's tempting to change to NASCRAC because of how slow the minis are. Sometimes it's painful. So incredibly painful to trade the minis. Well, I'm letting you guys decide. This trap is far away from 20 May, but it is a strong push down, pandas. We do trigger the trap. I like the entry bar here. Let's see if we can get a retracement back. I feel like I might have missed the boat here. It's gonna go without me. Yeah, it's going down. It's dripping. It's breaking down. Seems like it's gonna go without me here, unfortunately. I was conservative here because we're far away from 20 MA, but the move down was so strong that I felt like there was a good chance that we push down here. And we already made our 2 points. Technically, it's not 1-to-1 yet. If I like this trade, I can stick around. I don't want to. I don't want to see it reverse though. I don't want to enter it when it reverses back up. You know, if I actually enter that trade, reverse back up, but it finally makes it 2 points. We missed that setup, but it's all good, pandas. I mean, I have my reasons to skip it. We had the trading range indicator telling us that we can come back down to the bottom of this range this entire time, which is kind of what's happening right now. Yeah, tick 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 is there. I think the prices are decent, but they have like worse rules than Apex. So I don't know. You know, what's the point of moving away from something when you go to something worse? You know what I mean? Tick tick trader. Yep, yep, yep. They have a day loss limit and a threshold. They have both. So, what's the point? Don't Kelly? Do they both have a threshold and also a 50K? It's quite expensive right now. $150 for 50K. That's why I'm saying value wise, Apex still the best. Apex is still the best. Like we're so spoiled. Like with $16 50K accounts, you just gotta trade properly. You can't just do like super YOLO trades, and if you just keep consistent trading, then you can withdraw. But oh, it's just daily loss limit. All right. Avoid ETF. Yeah, do not trade elite trader funding. Is there a discount code for Tick Tick? No elite trader. Yeah, I mean, I'm open minded here. I'm open minded here. I still think. I mean, I'm not gonna be honest, 100%. Like, I still think Apex is the best, but you gotta be open minded. When are we trading gold? You guys want to see gold real quick? Gold's up here. Oil's down here. Should we take a trade on gold? Yeah, ETF, they're worse. If you think Apex is bad, ETF is like 100 times worse. Gold's up here, oil's down here. I guess I could do this with the E-minis too. Or have E-minis up here and then NAS down here. I could do that. Maybe I should. The only problem is I gotta trade the 5 minute then, right? You have to trade a 5 minute chart if you want them to be synchronized. Like, if it's not like a 5 minute chart, if it's like a tick chart, you can't trade it. Like, I have to be trading the 5 minute chart if I were to do side by side. Like, not side by side, but if I were
5 minute
gonna do the
trap.
same, or I can switch to like something else. I might as well get some affiliates on the other prop firms though. It doesn't hurt to get affiliates for any prop firm. Might as well, you know what I mean. Abraham says Apex says my payout's under review for the week and they approved it. That's good. Where's Blacklight at? Blacklight would love to talk about this stuff. What are your thoughts on Pat's traders saying the market is manipulated because of the election and they won't let it go down? That's 100%. It's pretty like certain that around election time market goes up. We got news coming up in about 3 minutes. We've got a second entry long forming on 10K chart. Am I interested in 10K chart trade?
10,000
I'm
trap.
interested in a trap trade on 10K chart. Let's say that. If we get a trap on 10K, I'll be very interested. Very interested, let's say. Mac might drop a limit order in there. He loves dropping limit orders when it works perfectly. Trap trade. Second entry short. Panda, things are looking nice. Right, we got a fail second entry long on 10K chart. Ooh. News just dropped and then forget about it. Just forget about it. News just dropped. Causing a big move up here. 2, 3, 4. 10K chart, second entry long obviously works out nicely. Kind of got like a break. I mean, we got a spike channel, another spike channel, and then finally breaks down, test the bottom of the spike, and or the bottom of the spiking channel. I guess you can say maybe even this. That depends on how you want to draw it, huh? I don't know, something like this. Making a new high now. Second entry long, 5-minute chart, right inside bar. Blast upwards. Hugo O done with that move with the news. Risky, but congratulations. All right, pandas, here we go. We're gonna reverse this guy right here. We're gonna do full-blown reversal here. Are you ready, pandas? Are you ready? Had it tights up? All right. Hey. Congratulations then. We got a trap trade here, push up. Do I want to bet on a move up higher here? Nah. I'm done seeing this move up. I'm saying trading range. Shall we? Gold is shooting up now. Always in long in gold. It's kind of like a second entry long here, to be honest. Trading range. Not going long here, pandas. Okay. Trap does trigger here. It's an odd looking trap, to be honest, but it's a trap. It looks like a hidden second entry long as well. Decent signal bar. Check this out. Check this out. Looks bullish. I mean, it looks like a trading range as well. What else to do here, pandas? Do I just sell up here? It's a lower high now. I guess a failed second entry long. I look for that. I don't know. If you took that trap, you just lost that trade. What do I do here, pandas? Failed second entry long? Is that what I'm looking for? And do I buy down here again? Wow, what is going on? Second entry long here forming. This is wacky. I'm not gonna lie, it's a bit wacky. It's a second entry long. It's a wacky looking one, but it is a second entry long. Saw bull bar ending near its high. Good sign for the bulls. Okay. No follow through. Bad sign for bulls. You might as well just go short here, to be honest. Give me a lower high. I'll take it. I'm waiting for a lie here for myself. I'm being very conservative here. Right. When you have a big bull move, bull bar like this, no follow through, it's usually a bad sign, right? It's usually a bull trap. Because a lot of people buy in at the end of that, close of that bull bar. And when it reverses like this is a setup for bears here, in my opinion. Looks quite bearish to me now, right? Because I failed to really push up and break this high. Failed to have follow through. And you see the follow through is actually strong bear bar. It just means that the bears were just waiting here with limit orders, waiting to bring it back down. So, I mean, a lower high, I think I would be interested in. I'll take a lower high here. Or it could just be the infamous trading range day. Inside bar. Give me the lower high here. I'll be interested. Decent bull bar now. I don't know. This is confusing. What do you do here? Bull bar again. Just sitting on my paws now. Just sell the limit order here like a madman. Check this out. In the market, when you're so bored and you start to do crazy things in the market. Okay, lower high being created here. Do I like the lower high here? It's sus. It's getting very choppy, to be honest. Trading range. 5-minute inside bar breaking to the upside. But trading range. Possibly. This is wacky. This is honestly kind of wacky to me. How it looks like. Gilbert Medina with a 20. Goodness gracious. Gilbert Medina. MVP today. I'm making more money with super chats than actually trading today, pandas. What in the world? Looking for a one-to-one, why not? You want to see something wacky, pandas? Watch this. I'm going to sell it. I'm going to get out of my trade here and also buy here. Actually, I'm scared. I'm scared. I'll do that down here. Oh, oh wait. 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 I gotta flatten. I'm in a long and short at the same time. I'm flattening. Sorry, I messed that up. I moved the wrong order. I hope Daryl doesn't come after me. Pandas, I'm scared. I was in a long and a short at the same time. I messed up on my order. I hope Daryl's not waiting in the bushes ready to jump me. I hope not. Gilbert Medina says, maybe you can trade both NAS and ES as a competition. Dedicate 2 PAs in the ES, 2 PAs in the NAS. Let's see which one does better. You would be the only channel doing that. BBM Tradertainment channel. Let's go, baby. Maybe. Pandas. He's going to be waiting in the bushes ready to jump me. He does not like it when you go both sides with his Daryl dollars. He does not like it. He does not like it when you try to take away his Daryl dollars. All the Daryl dollars belong to Daryl. Alright, pandas? Don't touch his dollars. Don't touch them. I did the old bracket order, pandas. Oh, they're waiting for me. They said, no, you don't do that. Don't do that. That's what they said. Goodness gracious. How could you do that? How could you try to scam us of our money? Daryl dollars all mine. That's what they're saying. That's what they're saying in their customer support. You know, if you guys know who Meat Canyon is, he kind of like does these like grotesque parodies of cartoons or like political situations, or I don't know, just any like culture thing. He'll do like a grotesque parody of it. He needs to do one with Apex. I think they call him Meat Canyon or Meat Cannon, something like that. It's really weird animations, but oddly like captivating. You know what I mean? Man, the votes are almost 50-50 right now. Like I said, the only problem is if I were to do both, I'll have to trade a 5 minute chart. If you guys don't mind me trading a 5 minute chart, but the ranges are huge on the 5 minute for the NAS. That's the crazy thing. I mean the 5 minute I could add the NAS in here, and it's also kind of annoying to trade two instruments on one chart with let's see how it looks like. I honestly, I probably shouldn't be doing this during stream. I know it's super professional, but you know, I don't care. I just don't care. I'm gonna do it. Sorry, that voice crack, Panda. Sorry about that. All right, Pans. What are my Pans up to right now? So this is the 5 minute chart, Pandas. It looks like an uptrend. Oh, I need my 20 EMA. What am I doing? 20 EMA. There it is. Strong bull bar. Always in long now, I feel like. Almost. I don't know. Is this a trading range? Or are we going to fulfill this? Fulfill this measure move here. I mean, is the price action that much better right now? It's just like the same thing, but a little more volatile. Yeah, I gotta think this through, Pandas. I honestly, I gotta think this through. The problem also is that, yeah, I gotta think this through, Pandas. Stop losses are bigger, but at the same time, every point is less, so it's less leveraged than the E-mini. Just a pure trading range right now, Pandas. It's a sickening trading range. Do I want to take advantage of it? I could try. I could try. All right. Pandas, I said I'll do it. Check this out. Check this out, Pandas. I said I'll do it. And here I am doing it. Limit order trading. Man, you guys are excited for the NQ. I should trade NQ more, huh? Let me think it through a little bit, just because it's just kind of all of a sudden, and y'all know what I mean. It's a bit scary. It's a bit scary. What can I say? Check this out, Pandas. I'm scared we're gonna make the inside bar measured move here, which could possibly go up a lot here. I might have made a boo-boo. I think I made a boo-boo. I'm trying to do a limit order trading here, Pandas. Real professional trading here, Pandas. Ooh, strong bull bar. I don't like that. I don't like that at all. I really don't like that at all. Strong bull bar. Let's calm down. Bring it back down. We'll take the 1-to-1, Pandas. We'll take the 1-to-1. If you know what I mean. Only risking 2 points to gain 2 points. Let's see if we can get something here today. It's not looking good though, Pandas. What can I say, right? They got a strong bull bar ending on its high. It's like almost a chance just to get out of this trade. I'm so scared, Pandas. I'm not meant for the limit order life. I am certainly not meant for the limit order life. Get me out of this trade. I'm scared. Don't go up, please. Don't blast off. Don't do it. Please don't do it. You know what they say, Pandas. Lean into your mistakes. We're going to trade this wedge here. We're going to enter in one more time on this wedge. The 1-to-1 is like way up here though. Check this out, Pandas. Oh, I think I'm on the wrong accounts. 1 second, pandas. My trades are not going through. Give me a sec. I'm sorry, pandas. I was on the wrong accounts this whole time. But you know what that means, pandas? We get a second life here. Pandas, I realized I was on the wrong accounts. I was trading the wrong accounts. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry about that. Wedge top, 1, 2, 3 pushes up on a gap up, usually results in a reversal somewhere. Somewhere. Let's get precise as possible here. Second entry long forming here. Interesting. Second entry long forming here, 2000 tick chart. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we're just on a massive uptrend right now. Could be possible. Is that gap at 53.08? Second entry long does trigger. Okay, market basically doing nothing again. I don't know, Pandas. What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? Trade small, have fun. That's what I'm trying to do, man. That's what I'm just trying to do right now. I wanted to hit my level up here. It doesn't look like I'm gonna hit it though. It honestly doesn't look like I'm gonna hit it. I'm still in the other trade on my other accounts. I'm just trying to get out break even at this point on that trade. It's a proper place to take a wedge reversal though, in my opinion. All right, you got 3 pushes up on the 5-minute chart. I think it's proper to try to. You can look for a reversal here, and the reversal should be a decent trade, right? Like a good risk reward ratio. Right, we might actually might touch my level here. Where did I make this level up? Why do I have this level? It's just a 1-to-1, right? It's the 1-to-1 on the inside bar here. And we're going to see if we can hit that 1-to-1 and see if people take some profits there and make a little bit of bamboo. You know what I mean, Pandas? Trying something new. You know, limit order trading. We actually create an inside bar on the 5-minute chart. And triggering this may actually push us down quite hard. Pandas, I don't know how it's possible, but we have 64 votes and we are at 50-50 right now. I mean, this poll is for you guys. Like, I can't control the outcome of this poll. It just seems like you guys are pretty torn between the NAS crack, and the E-minis. Wow. All right. I mean, exactly 50-50. All right. Okay. Well, one person changed their vote or voted for so it's not 50-50 anymore. Slightly favoring Emini. I mean, it's basically 50-50 though. Out of 64 votes, that's like every single viewer here has voted. Goodness gracious. You guys love votes.
10,000 tick
You
trap.
guys sure? Okay, we're reversing here on that wedge. Unfortunately, we didn't hit that level that I wanted to hit. And so we're not in this trade. All right, Pandas, I think that's it for me. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Or sorry, on Tuesday. Remember, we have a holiday weekend. I'm going to end a little bit early today. And just know that the promo's been extended till end of the month. So we got BBM for 90% off till the end of the month. And the cherry on top is that the 250K lifetime EVA or PA fee is only $85. And that ends on mid-June. It's June 15th. And so take advantage of it while it lasts. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend. And I'll see you guys bright and early on Tuesday, Pandas. 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 Pandas, 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 pandas. Thanks for joining, everyone. Love your support. Thanks to everyone for your super chats. Really, really, really can't tell you how much I appreciate you guys. You guys are amazing. And you guys make this all worth it. So, Pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. So, that being said, Pandas. With that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.